I can't believe I keep saying Hasselhoff. Welcome back to Kravings and Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today we're making a Hasselback chicken tikka. On the heels of the popular Hasselback potato, I'm going to take a marinated chicken breast and I'm going to stuff it with onions, green peppers, and cheese, and I'm going to bake it in a really hot oven. This is going to be delicious, and it's a really healthy way for you to start 2018. Before I go any further with the recipe, do make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Also, ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I publish a new video. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is prepare the chicken breasts. Mine have come with the tenders intact, so I'm just going to remove these. Some manufacturers remove the tenders and they sell them separately at a higher price. The term Hasselback comes from the famous Hasselback potato that is served at the Swedish hotel, the Hasselbacken Hotel. I'm going to treat the chicken breast the same way, making 1 centimeter slits so I can stuff it later. Be careful not to go all the way to the bottom. This method is also going to ensure that the chicken cooks fast. Marinate the chicken with the juice of half a lemon and about 2 tablespoons of Tandoori Masala. I'm just using store-bought powder today, but you can also try using my homemade blend. I'm going to leave that link at the end of this video as well as in the description. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Make sure to get this marinade all over the chicken and also into the slits. This is a great way to get flavor right into the flesh. Next, we're going to stuff it. Chicken tikka is typically grilled with onions and green peppers. So I've got some peppers here that I've sliced really thinly, and I'm going to slot these in, followed by some red onion. I have 2 slices of cheese here. You can use any kind, but I'm using a jalapeno Monterey Jack as it has little flecks of color in it and it looks great when it's melted down. Just try to stuff it in the slits of the chicken as best you can. Any of the leftover green pepper and onion should either be cooked right away or disposed to prevent crust contamination from the raw chicken. Next, I'm going to heat up a frying pan and I'm going to add a bit of oil. I'm using the Rock and I love this pan and I love that it'll go straight from stovetop to oven. I'm going to carefully move the stuffed breasts into my pan. You can skip this step if you want to go straight to the oven, but I do prefer to get some nice color at the bottom of my chicken breast first. After a few minutes or so, the bottom of my chicken breasts are nice and caramelized. So I'm now going to transfer this to my 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes till the cheese has melted and the chicken is cooked, and you know this because the juices run clear. I can't tell you how delicious this tastes. Just try it for yourself. It makes a great and healthy meal. Thank you so much for joining me on Kravings Food Adventures. I can't tell you how delicious this recipe is. Everybody in my house really loved it, and I know you're going to be making this over and over again. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. Also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will ensure that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care guys. Bye!